Good morning, Tigers. I hope everyone had a great night last night, and I hope everyone is rip roaring and ready to go. All right, so here we go. New sound today. Look on the screen. Look on the screen beside Miss Rainwater, and you will see a new diagraph. Now, all through this year, we've been making little writings together and writing sentences and writing stories, and we've talked about this sound a lot, but we've never actually had a lesson on it. So this is actually the diagraph CH. It's the diagraph CH. All right. So when you see the CH together, you're not going to sound that word out by going, you're not going to do that. It's going to be one new sound that they make together. All right. Two letters coming together that make one new sound. It's not a blend, because blends, you can still hear the two individual sounds. This is a diagraph CH, and CH says ch. What does it say? Good job. So let's look at the pictures all around our screen. This is a fruit. What fruit is this up here? If it has the ch sound in it, these are called cherries. These are called cherries. Now, what do you think this is? This is called a chick. Chick. What is this right here? This is called cheese. Cheese. Swiss cheese with all the little holes in there, right? And what are these? What is this right here? We have them in our classroom and we stack them up, but no taller than 5. They are chairs. Very good. So what two letters together say ch? The two letters that say ch are C and H. C and H. Now listen to these 3 words that I'm going to say. I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to listen for the sound that you hear in the final position. Now, what does final position mean? Final position means at the very end of the word. At the very end of the word. So listen to the first word, and I want you to echo it. Such. Your turn. Echo. Branch. Your turn. Good job. Echo. Pinch. Your turn. Good. Did anybody hear the same sound at the end of all of those words? What sound did you hear? Ch. You heard the diagraph. Ch. Now let's write these 3 words on my board. Okay, let's look at these 2 words first. Okay, let's look at these 2 words first. Now, this says such, and this word is branch. Such and branch. What are the words? Such and branch. Now, what sound do you hear in the final position? You hear the ch. Very good. Look at the words. What letters do you see that might make the ch sound? C and H is exactly right. What do we call 2 letters that come together to make one new sound? We call it a digraph. Very good. This is the digraph CH. So do you remember how we code digraphs? Everybody on the count of 3, what do you do when you see a digraph? How do you code it? 1, 2, 3. You underline it. Very good. So let's underline this digraph. We're going to underline the CH and we're going to underline the CH because they are digraphs. Very, very nice. Now, let me ask you this. I wonder what our picture card will be for the digraph CH. I wonder what a good picture cue would be for me to remember the CH sound. See if you can guess it. This is a kind of food, and it's made from milk and comes in many different kinds. They have Swiss, they have cheddar, they have Parmesan, and it's a main ingredient in pizza, like in nachos too. What do you think it is? Cheese is correct. So when you see the picture card that's cheese, it's going to help you to remember that the CH digraph says ch. The CH digraph says ch. Now let's practice coding some with this new sound. Let's practice coding. All right, now let's practice coding these words, kiddos. All right, here we go. Let's look at the very first one. Look at the first word. Do you see any vowels? Give me a thumbs up if you can see the vowel. Do you see a vowel in the first word? I do too. What is it? It's a U. The U is the vowel. Very good. Is this vowel followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. So that means you're going to have to code this vowel with a breve. It's been a while since we've used a breve. We've been using macrons, talking about long vowels, but now we're going back to the breve, all right? So you have to code it with a breve. So we have to do one more thing to this word. Do you see a digraph? Yes, CH. So how do you code the digraph? You underline it. So now let's read this word together. Such. So I see 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I only hear 3 sounds. Such. Let's look at the next one. Do you see any vowels in this word? Yes. What's the vowel? An A. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. It's followed by an N. So that means you have to code this with a breve. Do you see a digraph? Yes, I do too. And it is CH. It is C and H. Do you see anything else that we need to do? Well, here's our little blend, right? Branch. Branch. I see a sight word in here. I see a sight word. Does anybody else see the sight word in there? 2 letters. And I see another one too. I see another word. I see ran. And oh my goodness, I see another one. Ranch. Ranch. Some of you like to eat ranch dressing, and some of you know that a ranch is where they have cowboys and they have horses and things like that. Let's look at this word right here. Does anybody see a vowel? Yes, it's right here, the vowel I. Is it followed by a consonant? Yes, it is. What vowel is it followed by? Which consonant is it followed by? An N. So you have to code the I with a breve and underline the CH. Underline that CH. So now let's try to read it together. Inch, pinch. And there is your word. So today we learned about a new digraph, CH. If you have a digraph in a word, you have to underline the digraph. Good job today, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.